So hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Joey and I am the product manager at Team Robosell, and we specialize in helping Shopify merchants recover lost sales from abandoned checkouts with our Shopify app Robosell. So today I'm excited to talk about the best abandoned checkout email structure to help you bring in the most efficient conversion rate to your Shopify store. And as a product manager, I know that a good email structure and the content can convert more abandoned checkouts to paid orders. So I'm going to share with you 3 representative abandoned checkout recovery emails from a Shopify default template and SHEIN and Barbell Brigade. So these examples will give you an idea of different email styles that you can use for your own abandoned checkout emails. So let's start by looking at Shopify's email template. So if you are new to Shopify's abandoned checkout email service, you can check out my video on how to get started. And this template is simple but effective. It includes all the essential elements such as logo, heading, product info, call to action button, store signature, and the unsubscribe button. So basically, this email structure is a standard layout that you can refer to when building your own abandoned checkout email. And then next, we have SHEIN's email template. This email has a more formal tone with greetings and a formal signature. It lacks product info and a call to action button, but it has 2 call to action links. So while this email is appropriate for notification purposes, it may not be the best choice for startups or brands that don't have a strong image in front of their customers. So finally, we have Barbell Brigade's email template, and this is the most popular type of email templates in the market. It includes their logo and very eye-catching poster, heading, the product info, the call to action button, and the signature. Additionally, it features another call to action button with product recommendations and social links. So Barbell Brigade is a well-established brand with an online celebrity presence, so the design and the version efforts of the email are really notable. So in conclusion, regardless of the email template you choose, make sure to include the key elements such as the logo, the call to action heading, the product info, the call to action button, and the signature. So these essential elements will help you establish a strong connection with you and your customers and bring in more sales from abandoned checkouts. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I will see you in the next video.